Good day everyone, I am Hinralo Chris Jiram from section J2F-1, and for this report I will be discussing all about our subject for seamanship 2. Ships I will be discussing all about the ship's stability information that is found using various onboard resources. So ship stability information is found using various onboard resources including stability diagrams, trim tables, and stress tables. These tools provide a data on a ship's stability under different loading conditions. For example, hydrostatic tables and Escalin stability tables like MS and KN tables present data as a function of molded draught amidships and trim values. Trim tables help determine changes in trim, the distance the difference in draft between the bow and stern, after loading cargo at various distances from amidships. Stress tables and associated calculating equipment are used to access the structural stresses on the vessel under different loading and sea conditions. Calculations for transverse stability often involve integrating moments along the length of the ship, considering factors like the vessel's geometry and the center of gravity. The information found in these tables and diagrams is crucial for safe ship operation and ensuring stability within acceptable parameters. So that's all, and I hope you learn something from me. Thank you, and see you to the next upload.